everyone. Today I'm going to show you new payroll software. Some features of this software are extreme flexibility. It can map any logic, and more than that, from real world. You can change logic or code through web interface without restarting application or changing source code. All important forms are editable. It means that you can edit form, add new fields, or add new forms dynamically. All calculations for all loanart is a wage type, are consistent, and all cases are calculated the same way. Application doesn't have unexpected cases that require additional explanation and things like that. All calculations have detailed explanation, with real numbers, and everyone can see how app calculates some loanarts or wage types. It is very useful for unexpected results. Another advanced capability is Rückrechnung, with some additional features. Reports are very simple and powerful. They can be visualized, and you don't need to know SQL query or something like that. All you need to know is variable name and its meaning or purpose. This is important for the whole app. Everything is a variable. All input fields, events, internal system generated values, calculated results, etc. I will say again, all you need to know is variable name and its meaning. After login, you get the home page. At this moment, navigation menu is not working and you need to choose company and year. After that, menu is working. At top central position, you can see default logo. If company does not have a logo, we use this logo. Default logo always stays in home page. When you choose company and year, you can see that at this place and this. Most data is divided into three categories. National level data is valid for all companies in country. Company level for particular company and all employees in that company. And employee level for particular employee. All data have valid for timestamp, but in some situation, timestamp has date range format. In the national data section, we have table with national data. This is various data about different taxes, some limits, and this data is provided by state institutions at the beginning of the year. We can add, delete, or edit this data. Some national data is organized into the table, and we must upload these tables every year. This is task for super administrator. You can see Kinderzulage, Ausbildungszulage, Kinderage limit table. Quellensteuer table is very big, and you must set filter to see some data. Company data page displays main data about company. You can set main info about company or change logo. On the right side, you define company fields, which are the variables that are used for calculation. Insurance page displays all information about insurance. This table displays all insurance companies. Only super admin can edit this table. You can add insurance company to your company. In company's insurance table, you can also add or view relevant documents between company and insurance company, like contract. These documents can be in form of a picture or Word document. Picture will be displayed on slide, but Word document or PDF or Excel will be downloaded. On the right side, you can define all about insurance code, add code to some insurance type, add corresponding value. You can add code to the group. In company group page, you can add gav to company. Define group types or groups for your company. You should create groups if you wish to categorize your employees by any parameters. All Lonerton table displays all Lonerton wage types, which are available to use for calculation. Before that, you must add loaner to company, if not added. This table can be edited only by super administrator. Company loaner table displays all Lonerton for that company. When you click on detail, you can see details with timeline on the right side. Before calculation, Loanert program checks condition of calculation with condition formula for this Loanert. If formula returns true or 1, Loanert will be calculated. Otherwise, it won't be. Calculation formula can be embedded expression in most cases, or JavaScript code if logic is too complex. In this case, Loanert 1000, we have expressions. In field calculate description, you define calculate explanation. This explanation will be displayed later in the payroll list or in detailed journal. This loaner is very complex and bizarre. Only purpose of this loaner is demonstration of capabilities. If you use JavaScript, you must create calculate description inside calculation formula. All tasks about setting loaner can be done only by super administrator or administrator. You can see explanation of this formula in quick guide section. It is short version of documentation. In basis setting table, we define value for each basis in percentages. It can also be a negative value. If loaner has items like loaner 3000 Kinderzulage, we must define items. Maximum items is 12, and their name is standard. Item 1, item 2, Each item has its own calculation formula and description, like loan. In loan new rules card, we define new rule for loan and add this rule for particular loan. They will be valid for some date range. In this case, we add new rule for bonus-free loan. New rule will increase bonus loan for 2, and we will add this amount to bonus-free loan. The base list tables show all bases, and you can add a new base. On the right side of the table, it shows the setting for all loan and all bases.